Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to take proper measurements for your custom unit. Now, the proper measurements are the key to having your wig fit properly. Most people think that taking custom measurements is a hard thing, but it's not. All you need is measuring tape and your head. Now, you want to have your hair as flat as possible, be it in cornrows or you have it like slicked down to a ponytail. I prefer how you're going to wear your hair under your wig whenever you take your measurements. But I mean, if you haven't got your hair braided down yet, then do what you got to do. So the first measurement, which is also the most important measurement, is going to be your circumference. Now, you're going to take it, the measuring tape that is, go around, come to the top of your head, and come around and pop it. Now, you don't want to do this tight. Like, you don't want to cut off no circulation, but just have it comfortable. And as you can see, I'm like right like 21, almost like what, a fourth of an inch. So I'm just gonna round up to 21.5. Remember, our wigs do come with elastic adjustable bands, so even if it's off just a few like millimeters or whatever, you can adjust it to be where you need it to be. So the next important measurement is front to back. So since I have a widow's peak, I usually come like almost to the end of it, and you're just gonna go back to where your hairline stops, and that's your next measurement. And then it's going to be another measurement that is important is the side to side across your forehead. So that's where your frontal is going to sit if you get one. So your circumference and your side to side across your forehead, try to take those measurements a few times for accuracy and just to make sure that you have it right. So you just go come across right where your frontal would be, and that's your next measurement, right above your ears. So your ear tabs are where they need to be, and that's your next measurement. Up next is side to side over top. You just go right above your ear. I usually go right behind mine since my ears are a little small, but right there and over top. Next measurement. All right, and the final measurement that I'll need is nape. Nape is pretty self-explanatory. From one side where your hair is to the other side. That's usually about 5, 6, somewhere around there. So after you get these measurements, I need for you to record them and label them correctly, make sure they're accurate, and put them in the notes to seller space whenever you are checking out and you're purchasing a unit. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at info@floweryunits.com.